Hello everybody! Chopin's Prelude number 15 in D-flat major was later nicknamed Raindrop Prelude. It is probably Chopin's most famous and most played prelude. He owes his name to the continuous and repeated tone A-flat or G sharp throughout the piece. Kullak's edition is very similar to the Urtext edition, with the exception of the metronome marking. Kullak gives the quarter note the number 92. In his preface to this edition, he classifies this prelude among the least difficult. He says about this in his foreword, "This prelude offers no technical hindrance even to the less advanced player." The remainder of his preface shows that when determining the difficulty, he only looks at the technical difficulty. After all, his publication of the preludes has an educational purpose. We can also see that from the title page. He calls his book there Instructive Edition with Explanatory Remarks and Fingerings. How would Kullak have arrived at this tempo? Quarter note is 92. I think he started from the melody. This is the melody. When you play this at Kullak's tempo, it sounds very natural, as if it were the melody of a song. It could indeed be a song without words. When you play the melody in whole beat, it sounds like this. Now this is the quarter note. You hear it, so it's no longer a natural melody for a song. Especially the long notes get too long. The embellishment in bar 4 is actually a run-up to the repetition of the melody. I mean this embellishment. And the repetition of the melody. You should not play that run-up too fast, and certainly not as fast as the previous bars. The same goes for the other embellishments. The embellishments are actually preparations for the main melody. The second embellishment is a variation of the first. And the third embellishment 10 bars before the end. That is the third embellishment. Now I'm going to play the whole piece in the tempo of Kullak. Kullak gives us the tempo, quarter note is 92. That is this tempo, 92. Dit is de quarter note. And now in whole beat, not the whole piece, only the beginning. That is 46 is the quarter note. You hear it, it's too slow. No one would call it a raindrop prelude, but rather the prelude of the leaking tap or the prelude of the leaking faucet. Well, that is for today. I wish you all the best. Bye.